Hello, my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut, and today I'm standing in front of a 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk, fresh in from the factory. This boat is finished in a beautiful light gray. Let me climb on board and I'll show you a few great features about this boat. Okay, welcome aboard. Now this boat is kind of unique. It's got this beautiful black powder coated water sports tower. So it's a lot easier when you're doing either wakeboarding, tubing, or skiing, where you can just wrap the line across here. The boat has a 115 horsepower Mercury motor. And by the way, this is a boat, motor, and engine package. If you don't need the trailer, that's okay, we can pull that out. Moving up here at the helm, we have a reversible pilot seat. So it can be sitting in this position when you're just maybe sitting at anchor and want to converse with your aft passengers. You can tilt it up and it becomes a leaning post for the driver when you're underway. Or you can flip it all the way back and sit down and drive the boat. We have a Simrad GPS, we have a Bluetooth stereo system, and a Simrad VHF radio, a bimini top, and teak accents. We also have a bow cushion, so you can kind of chill on a mooring, enjoy the sun and family. So my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut. Give me a call today. We actually have several of these boats in stock, different colors, different options. I look forward to speaking with you.